Welcome to All Things Electronics, where we simplify everyday tech for everyone. If you've ever wondered what the difference is between a Roku and a Fire Stick, or why your Samsung TV feels different from your neighbor's LG, this guide is for you. Whether you're in the USA or the UK, we'll walk through the most used streaming platforms, how they work, their pros and cons, and what real users are saying. At the end, we'll also include helpful tools and devices you can explore, some of which may contain affiliate links, meaning we may earn a small commission if you buy through them. Now let's dive in. Roku is one of the most loved streaming platforms in the USA and is catching on quickly in the UK. What makes it popular is how simple and clean the system is. You plug it in, connect it to Wi-Fi, and you're basically ready to go. Roku supports all major apps like Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, Prime Video, and more. It's found in TVs from TCL, Hisense, On, and Sharp, or sold separately as a Roku stick or box. The benefit? It's affordable, even the 4K models, and easy for non-techies to use. You don't need a subscription to use Roku itself. The downside is that Roku has limited customization. You can't add unknown apps, and voice control is basic compared to Alexa or Google. Still, many customers call Roku a no-fuss solution that just works. Amazon Fire TV is a big player in both the USA and UK. It comes as a stick, box, or even built into some Toshiba, JVC, or Insignia TVs. The Fire TV stick is great if you love using Alexa. You can control everything by voice, even turn off the lights. It supports 4K, Dolby Vision, and lets you install a wide range of apps. It's also super cheap to get started. But it does have downsides. Amazon heavily promotes its own content on the home screen, so it can feel cluttered. Some users also find the interface a bit busy. However, fans of Fire TV love the voice commands and smooth performance. It's also a smart pick if you're already a Prime Video user. Apple TV is the premium streaming device, and its price shows. But for Apple lovers, it's a dream. You get the Apple TV 4K box, which connects smoothly with iPhones, iPads, and iCloud. You can use your phone as a remote, mirror your screen, and even use AirPods. It supports all major apps and has no ads on the home screen. The performance is super smooth, and many users say the image quality is top tier. But here's the catch, it's expensive and doesn't come built into any TV. You'll need to buy the box separately. People who already use Apple say it's worth the money, while others feel cheaper devices can do the same for less. Still, for privacy, polish, and long-term support, it's one of the best. Google TV, previously called Android TV, powers a huge range of smart TVs and streaming sticks. It's used in Sony, TCL, Hisense, Sharp, and Philips TVs, and is also the system behind the Chromecast with Google TV. The benefit of Google TV is its customization. You can download almost any app from the Play Store and even install apps that aren't officially listed. It also has strong Google Assistant voice control, so you can ask for shows, check the weather, or even dim the lights. However, some users report lag on cheaper TVs using Android, and the layout can vary a lot depending on the brand. Still, customers love the freedom Google TV gives, especially if they're already using Android phones or Google services. It's a powerful platform if you want flexibility. Samsung smart TVs use Tizen OS, a fast and colorful smart platform. It's found only on Samsung TVs, and it works really well with Samsung's design. Tizen has a horizontal app bar that keeps things neat, supports all major apps, and connects to Alexa, Bixby, or Google Assistant. It also works with Apple AirPlay 2 and Samsung SmartThings. It's fast, visually polished, and users describe it as intuitive. That said, it's not very flexible. You can't sideload apps, and the App Store is smaller than Android's. Some users also report that older Samsung TVs stop receiving new app support after a few years. But if you want a premium feel with solid performance, Tizen is a reliable choice. LG Smart TVs run on webOS, a system known for its sleek and simple layout. The ribbon-style menu bar shows apps without blocking the show you're watching. LG TVs are popular in both USA and UK, and webOS includes all the top apps like Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and Apple TV. You can control your TV using LG's ThinQ AI, Alexa, or Google Assistant. The newer versions even offer a custom home screen. However, the App Store isn't as full as Android TV, and updates are sometimes slow for older models. Still, people love how fast it works out of the box. Users say it feels modern, not messy, and is great for those who want something easy to use every day. Vidar is the smart platform you'll find mostly in Hisense TVs, especially across the UK and parts of Europe. It's lightweight, fast, and beginner-friendly. You get instant access to Netflix, YouTube, Freeview Play, and more. The interface is very basic, which is a good thing for some users. It's not full of ads or clutter. But the downside is it lacks variety. There aren't many apps beyond the basics. You also can't add third-party apps easily. That said, customers who just want to watch Netflix and Freeview quickly often say Vidar is fast and does the job. It's best for people who want a smart TV without needing advanced features. Now TV is a UK-only streaming stick and app from Sky, made for people who want Sky content without a dish or contract. You can buy passes for sports, cinema, or entertainment, and stream directly. The Now TV stick is small, affordable, and very simple to use. But it's very focused on Sky, so don't expect all the apps that come with other platforms. Also, it's not available in the US. Users love the freedom of no contracts and say it's perfect for casual viewing. But many also note it's not great for people who want variety or custom apps. Still, if you want quick access to Sky shows and don't care about anything else, it's a good choice. There are so many smart TV platforms out there, but each one fits different needs. Some are better for simplicity, Roku, others for voice control, Fire TV, or flexibility, Google TV. Some are polished and smooth, Apple TV, Tizen, webOS, while others are built for basics, Vidar, Now TV. No one size fits all, and that's okay. Choose the system that fits your lifestyle, your home setup, and your favorite apps. If this guide helped you, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to All Things Electronics for more beginner-friendly tech walkthroughs, reviews, and smart choices for your home. Some links or products mentioned may be part of an affiliate program. This means if you click and purchase, we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you for supporting our work and helping us create more helpful tech content.